My name is Chotamula. I'm the founder and managing director of Shim Architectural Engineering Solutions. I'm also the lead engineer on all the Shim projects that we are undertaking.
My name is Nkwashi. I have over 10 years of experience in sales and customer service. So I am the relationship, I'm in charge of the relationship management at Shim. I take care of all our clients' needs and ensuring that while the engineer is on the ground, that our clients are getting the needed information that they need. Okay, so Shim is a Zambian-owned construction company. We provide design and build services. So what that means is that we are able to come in at any stage of the designing and building stage. We can provide you with, if you need designs for your house, architectural drawings, we are able to do that. Or pick up from where another contractor left off, we're able to do that. It's design, the full scope of designing and building services. We also do building consultancy and project management supervision. So in instances where a client has their own workers and team, but they still require a lead engineer, Chot and the team will still go and supervise, but with their workers. So we have our own design and build team, but we also supervise depending on what the client's needs are. So we tailor the solution to the client's needs.
Shim has been in existence since 2020. Yeah, and prior to that, the most prominent projects are one on the copper belt, which we did mainly consultancy and supervision for A+, general insurance, and also one in Minilunga, one in Kasempa, and another one in Kasama, where we did translation offices for the Jehovah's Witnesses organization.
The fastest route we advise clients is just to get in touch with us via our social media pages on Facebook and Instagram, where it will direct you to our email address, and from there we'll pick up the emails and ask the questions we need. Do you have drawings? Do you? But yes. Also, why we refer them to the pages is because they're able to view some of the works before they even engage. Flexible payment. The short answer is yes. We do. Like I said earlier, building is a very it can be a stressful undertaking, and we understand that, you know, with COVID and just so many economic factors coming, and our clients may not necessarily have the full amount. We will provide a BOQ. This is what you need. This is what you need at this stage. Slab level, grey shell, but we don't need the full amount in order to start the works. So what we've done with our clients is we encourage them to be very transparent, and we ask them how much is available. Okay, with this is the schedule of works, but we're going to prioritize this.
So for a single-story structure, I think we'll put it at, say, 5 to 7 months, and for typical, say, double-story structure, say 9 to 14 months.
Okay, so our clients receive weekly updates in the form of pictures. Informally we do chat to them on WhatsApp for those just updates, like quick touching base and so on and so forth. But formally, everything else is done via email and with Nkwashi team and copy. We would encourage clients, both existing and future, to not wait for everything to be just right or to have all the money before they start. simply because, like we said, changing economic factors, the costs of materials are going up every day. So if you start today, you'll still be further along next year than if you hadn't started.
I think we'd just like to encourage more clients to take up whatever opportunity that they have to start their building project. Hi, my name is Chota Mwina, and I'm the Managing Director for Shim Architecture and Engineering Solutions. They were doing a house tour on one of the houses that we are constructing here in Nkwashi, and yeah, we would like to take you through. So this is a 3-bedroom house. Currently we're working on the ring beam and hoping to be done with the roofing in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So right now we're in the main space of the house, and what you can see on this side is where the kitchen will be, where all the wonderful meals will be prepared, and it's an open plan house. So on this side we have our living room, which once complete, you can see we have this great feature of a window that will be part of the beautiful house attraction. So here we have one of the 3 bedrooms. Yeah, so this bedroom is actually self-contained. It's got we have our bathroom connected to the bedroom. So this is where we have our second bedroom, also self-contained and with built-in wardrobe as well. And our third bedroom is actually the master bedroom. Quite spacious, as you can see. Yeah, and also self-contained. Yeah, with inbuilt wardrobes. When we proceed this way, this is where we have our laundry. And our pantry.
Hi, my name is Nkwashi, Commercial Director at Nkwashi. I am here to take you through one of the housing projects we're building here at Nkwashi. This is our kitchen area. So next to our kitchen area, we do have a pantry. As I said, it's a double story, so this is the first floor of the double-story house. So also on the first floor we have a very spacious living room area, which it's open plan, can probably be split into a small dining area and then a family room. Adjacent to the lounge area is a nice small patio for outdoor recreation. Where the staircase will be for the second floor. Next to that is a downstairs powder room. Lastly, we have our first bedroom. Again, it's on the first floor and the others will be on the second story. As I said, so this is the first floor. The second floor should be coming up in the next couple of weeks. On the second floor we have 2 other bedrooms, the master being self-contained, and another bathroom, a shared bathroom. And yes, this has some outdoor balconies, and yeah, just a pretty double story.